Hello subscriber. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news as DFDS Ro-Ro ship on fire, Aegean say. Fire broke out on board of Ro-Ro cargo ship Gallipoli Seaways in the afternoon February 11 in Aegean Sea, when the ship was some 40 nanometers south of Dardanelles, en route from Istanbul to Trieste, Italy. The ship turned back. Master called for assistance while trying to fight fire by own means. Gallipoli Seaways was approached by Dardanelles emergency tugs and rescue boats. Understood the ship is sailing under own power, heading for nearest port, Akcansa. There are 24 crew and passengers on board, and 220 vehicles. Fire erupted on one of the decks, probably cargo deck, but it's not yet clarified. Ro-Ro cargo ship Gallipoli Seaways, IMO 9215476, GT 26525, built 2001, flag Turkey, operator DFDS Denizcilik Vitasi Masilik, Equasis. Update February 11, fire erupted on a cargo deck in one of vehicles. On a photo Gallipoli Seaways with conspicuous portside list, caused probably, by firefighting water. LPG tanker fire, explosion video. Nicolate Organ. LPG tanker Grace V under repairs at Samarinda PT Barokah Perkasa shipyard, East Kalimantan, Indonesia, reportedly caught fire, followed by explosion, on February 11. According to video, though, it doesn't look like Grace V is the ship which suffered fire and explosion. Small tanker or bunker tanker berthed next to Grace V stern is more likely victim. No casualties, no injuries reported. Grace V is docked at Samarinda since March 2020. LPG tanker Grace V, IMO 8,904,989, DWT 1500, built 19.